Welcome to Learn and Fun with the Mall.
Hello kids! Today, we're going to make a super fun drawing. And along with it, I'll tell you an exciting story too. First, we'll draw a big tree. But this won't be an ordinary tree. Its leaves will be green. But we'll add tiny red spots on them, as if the tree has cast some magic. Then, on top of the tree, we'll draw a big shiny star, making the tree look like a superhero. And after that, we'll make the gift boxes, full of surprises. Around them, we'll draw sparkling stars to make the drawing even more amazing.
Okay kids, get ready to hear a super amazing and funny story. In this story, something is going to happen that you've never even imagined. So open your eyes, get your imagination ready, and let's begin today's adventure.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Minu who loved drawing. She was very creative and always thought of something new. One day, she decided to draw a tree that no one had ever seen before. So Minu started her drawing with a big tree. But this was no ordinary tree. Its leaves were all green, but each one had small red spots on it, like the tree had spilled tomato ketchup all over itself. Minu thought it looked so funny, so she decided to put a big shining star on top of the tree, making it look like the tree was a superhero. Then Minu thought, why not add some gifts? So she drew 2 gift boxes. But these weren't normal gifts. Just by looking at them, it seemed like they might open up on their own and something funny might pop out. Like a little cat or maybe a tiny fairy that would shout, "Surprise!" and make you jump. Now, the funny part of the story is that Minu hung her drawing on the wall of her room. That night, while she was sleeping, the red spots on the tree started glowing. And suddenly, she heard a voice saying, "Minu, you've brought us to life. Now it's your turn to have some fun." Minu woke up and saw that she was inside the tree. In front of her were the 2 gift boxes, and they were shaking. One box opened, and out came a tiny cat that ran over Minu's feet, tickling her so much that she couldn't stop laughing. Then the second gift box opened, and out popped a tiny fairy who shouted, "Surprise!" Stars flew everywhere, and Minu laughed so hard her stomach hurt. The next morning, when Minu woke up, she was back in her bed, but the red spots on the tree were still glowing faintly. She smiled and said, "Looks like my funny drawing turned into a funny adventure." From that day on, whenever Minu looked at her drawing, she remembered how her own creation had made her laugh all night long.
Wow, what a fun journey. Now think, if it were your own story, what would happen? Let's keep exploring our imaginations because we're going to have even more fun in the next adventure.